Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make banana bread without an oven. You might be surprised, but it's entirely possible to create a moist and flavorful loaf using alternative cooking methods. We'll explore simple techniques that don't require a conventional oven, perfect for small kitchens or hot days. Get ready to enjoy a homemade treat with just a few adjustments to your usual recipe. Let's get started on this exciting baking adventure. For the stovetop method, you'll need a large, heavy pot with a lid. Place a metal trivet or some crumpled aluminum foil at the bottom to create a stand for your baking pan. Grease and flour a small loaf pan, then pour in your banana bread batter. Cover the pot tightly and cook over very low heat. The bread will slowly bake, similar to an oven, taking around 45 to 60 minutes. Steaming is another fantastic way to make banana bread without an oven. You'll need a steamer setup, which could be a large pot with a steamer basket or a rack. Prepare your batter and pour it into a heat-proof bowl or small pan that fits comfortably inside the steamer. Ensure the water level is below the pan. Steam the bread for about 30 to 40 minutes, or until a skewer comes out clean. To ensure your no-oven banana bread turns out perfectly, always use very ripe bananas. They provide the best flavor and moisture. Avoid overmixing your batter, as this can lead to a tough texture. Maintain a consistently low heat setting for both stovetop and steaming methods to ensure even cooking without burning. Finally, let your delicious banana bread cool completely before slicing for the best results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.